Welcome to the vlog.
And because it's Valentine's Day, we decided to
Go to the park.
go to the park. Kami na So it's not welcome to our kitchen, but welcome to the park.
vlog.
In the vlog.
In the vlog.
Vlog in the park.
Medyo nervous kami kasi
Setting up and all.
so
But let's enjoy this moment. So, we are gonna be cooking kimchi fried rice. We have done kimchi before a lot of times, but we've never tried making kimchi fried rice. So, for today, for this special day, dahil mapula ang kimchi, let's make it for Valentine's Day. So, let's do it! Here are the ingredients. We're gonna need, of course, the steamed rice. You could do your white, your brown, your red rice. You have chopped kimchi. We have the cooking oil, sesame oil. You'll need spam, or you could choose different kinds of proteins you have. You could do sausages, or fish, or shrimp, or pork. We saved the kimchi juice. For garnishing, we'll need spring onions that chopped. We have toasted sesame seeds and seaweed wraps that I cut in pieces, or you could use a furikake, which is a prepared one. And of course, we're gonna top it the Korean way with a runny sunny side up. So first, we're gonna heat up our pan, and kapag mainit na, we're gonna add our cooking oil. And we love avocado, coconut, or olive oil because that's healthier. So let's cook our spam. So if you want it toasted, then toast it some more. But if it's cooked already, then it should be okay na. So we'll set this aside. Now we will put our chopped kimchi. So we just stir fry it for a few minutes, and now we're gonna add our rice. 3 cups of rice, or more than that. I think this is more. Let's add the kimchi juice. Okay. If you want it sticky like yung Korean rice, then they put water pa. Pero ayaw namin masyadong sticky, so we're good with just that. Tsaka ilagdag na natin yun. Let's add the sesame oil. Ooh, ang bango. Then halo-halo lang, and you're done na. But don't forget your egg pa pala to garnish. So this is done. We're gonna put this in our plate or our bowl now, or serving dish. Let's prepare our sunny side up. So while our sunny side up is cooking, we could add our topping. Pwede rin itong ihalo na sa fried rice, so para mas malasa. You could put salt, more salt and pepper to taste, pero kasi maalat na yung spam, so hindi na dinagdagan ng spam. And then prepared by VG. Our sunny side ups are ready. And napadami yung oil, no? Kung health conscious kayo, bawasan nyo na lang yung oil. So, we want it runny like this. We'll put it on top. And one more. Mommy Selly makes the best sunny side up. Yung crispy like this and then runny the inside. Okay, so one more. So just the final touches. I wonder if may difference aside from color, yung black and white na sesame seeds. And there you go! Our kimchi fried rice Valentine's at the park is all done. So let's try it!
So we're done cooking our kimchi fried rice with runny egg sa taas. And
Nagagalit ang mga gansa at gusto nilang makikain.
yeah, hope we could show you guys, pero maya-maya na. Kasi this is very, very delicious.
So let's try it.
Sarap!
It's very good. Kung napansin nyo, hindi kami masyadong mapag-salt. Pero for those who are used to salty foods, we recommend you add salt. You could do patis, soy sauce, or the fish sauce. But this is just perfect for us. Or pepper, other seasoning.
It's very delicious.
The spam makes a good combination to it. Masarap siguro din kung you would do daing, yung salted fish with it. So it's gonna be a Filipino kimchi fried rice. So we'll enjoy this, and we hope that you liked our video. Happy Valentine's Day. And God bless you. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye.